discover slowly. UK employment law is reactive, not protective. This means the system does not automatically step in to protect you. You must raise issues. You must document. You must complain. You must escalate. For many immigrants, especially sponsored workers and students, that is not realistic. Why? Because they fear losing shifts. They fear visa consequences. They fear being labeled difficult. They fear job loss. So what happens? People stay silent, and silence is where abuse survives. Let's be honest. Most immigrants do not enter the UK labor market through corporate graduate schemes, unionized roles, well-structured HR systems. They enter through care work, hospitality, warehouse, cleaning, security agencies. So these sectors are legal, they are essential, but they are weakly enforced environment. Agency work especially creates confusion. Who is your real employer? Who owes you what? Who is responsible for your pay, breaks, or safety? Many people assume the agency will handle it. In reality, agencies protect contracts first. Workers come second. This is not illegal. It is structural. One of the most dangerous things immigrants experience in the UK workplace is normalized illegality. That means illegal practices that feel normal because everyone does it. Unpaid extra minutes before and after shifts, missing payslips that don't match hours worked. People hear, that's how it is here. If you don't like it, others will take your place. Over time, workers stop asking, is this legal? And start asking, how do I survive it? That is how rights quietly disappear, not through force, but through fatigue.
A UK citizen and an immigrant do not experience the same workplace, even under the same law. For immigrants, employment is tied to survival, sometimes tied to housing, sometimes tied to visa status. Sponsored workers face a deeper problem. Their employer is also their immigration gatekeeper. That imbalance matters. Even when the law says you have the right to complain, reality says complaining may end your sponsorship. UK law assumes equal power between employer and worker. Immigration reality proves that assumption false. This does not mean immigrants have no rights. It means the risk calculation is different.
So the biggest misunderstanding to law will save me. To benefit from the law, you usually need payslips, messages, contracts, witnesses, time. Many immigrants realize this too late, after months of underpayment, visa stress, job loss. This is why understanding how problems develop, not just the law itself, is critical. The smartest workers do not wait for abuse. They recognize patterns early. This series is not about telling you your employer is evil. It is about teaching you how the system actually behaves, where people commonly misjudge it, how to stay legally safe without panic, how to think strategically, not emotionally. Working in the UK can be fair, but fairness is not automatic. In the next episode, we will talk about working hours, overtime, and breaks, what employers get wrong, and why immigrants pay the price. Right, not theory, real patterns, real examples. I believe this episode has been very informative. Comment below with any topic you'd like me to explain, and I'll address it in an upcoming episode.